Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your design ideas into stunning realities. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds from images using Canva's amazing background remover tool. This tutorial is perfect whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer. Let's jump right in. First, if you haven't already, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you're new to Canva, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, create a new design by clicking the Create a Design button. You can choose any template size that fits your needs. Uploading an image. Next, upload the image you want to edit. To do this, click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and select Upload Media. Choose the image from your device and it will appear in your Uploads library. Drag the image onto your canvas. Using Background Remover tool. With your image selected, click on the Edit Image button located at the top toolbar. You'll see the Background Remover option. Click on it and let Canva work its magic. In just a few seconds, the background will be removed, leaving you with a clean cutout of your subject. Refining the cutout. Sometimes, the background remover tool might not be perfect, especially around intricate edges. But don't worry, you can refine your cutout. Click on the Erase or Restore brush to manually adjust the areas. This gives you full control over the final look of your image. Customizing and exporting. Once you're satisfied with your cutout, it's time to customize your design. You can add new backgrounds, text, or other elements to enhance your image. When you're done, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format and hit Download. Your edited image is now ready to use. And that's it. A quick and easy way to remove backgrounds using Canva's powerful tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.